$20 million Jamaican dollars will be made available to the Thoroughbred Owners and Breeders Association for the importation of horses for racing and breeding, following the government's announcement about the removal of GCT for the next fiscal year.
We'll set up a revolving fund that will allow for the importation of horses, and TOBA could administer that and do it on an ongoing basis. So we will bring in horses, hopefully more fillies than colts, so they will lead to the excitement of racing and more competitive racing, and by extension that would lead to increased sale in the tote. And when these mares or fillies are finished with their racing career, they would move on to the farm and help the breeding industry.
Why is this leverage needed?
It's not 15% of the price of the horse. It's 15% of the price of the horse, plus keep and care abroad, plus transportation coming here, plus quarantine, so all of that, those costs are added up. So at the end of the day, it's really it works out to about 28% of the cost of the horse.
And with up to 1,500 animals, in order for the industry to have the right amount of racing, have the right quality of racing, and the breeders aren't just doing enough right now. But I think this is a big shot in the arm. I think it will revitalize racing. I think it will revitalize the breeders because they're most important.
The consensus is the racing industry is slowing down, and a contributing factor outside of taxation is a decline in the breeding industry.
In 2011, we had just under 900 mares. We had 890 mares. And today we have 300 less. So we have 590 mares now. And as you quite rightly mentioned, a fair percentage, about 40% of them is barren or were not bred in the last year. And additionally, a 15% of them are over the age of 15 years. So we're heading for disaster.
The expected turnaround time is about 3 to 5 years, and in the meantime, the local stock is dwindling.
If you look at the recent races, we're coming up to classic season, and one of the key races is a non-winners of 2, and in that race you had 5 foreign horses and 4 local breds. Without those 5 foreign horses, that race would not have gone through. Sunday coming, we have the Sir Howard Stakes, which is a non-winners of 2, and we only have 6 colts.
The government collected $6.3 million Jamaican dollars from the importation of live horses in 2022.
The horse racing ecosystem provides direct support and employment for over 100,000 persons in Jamaica. So you have to look at an industry like this.
The effective date for the implementation of the new proposal will be before the end of the first quarter. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.